Universal has announced a new DreamWorks land coming to Universal Studios Florida. We will go over everything we know so far and take a look at the most recent construction photos of the area. The new DreamWorks land will replace the old Woody Woodpecker's KidZone. The Woody Woodpecker's coaster and the play areas closed back in January of this year to make way for new kid-friendly entertainment. With Universal's newest announcement, we now know what characters will be in this land. Universal stated they will share special moments with their favorite characters like Gabby from Gabby's Dollhouse and explore themed interactive play spaces and attractions that bring popular franchises like Shrek, Trolls, and Kung Fu Panda to life in the most imaginatively fun ways. Along with that announcement, they also said that this new land will open in 2024 and that it will occupy approximately 4 acres of space. So now we know the featured characters of this new land: Shrek, Trolls, Kung Fu Panda, and Gabby. If you don't know who Gabby's Dollhouse is, it is a show on Netflix where Gabby has adventures with her cat friends. It's been rumored that Shrek Swamp will be where Fievel's Playland used to be. We can now see construction has gone vertical. In front of E.T.'s Adventure is a still frame. If we look at the concept art, it shows the Shrek meet and greet area with Donkey in the background and what appears to be a bridge coming out of the outhouse. This could be connecting to the play area behind the meet and greet. The sign in the concept art is in front of some trees and with Shrek's meet and greet in clear view. This could be where the DreamWorks sign will be placed to welcome guests into this new colorful land. Looking at the most recent construction in the rumored Shrek Swamp area, we can see a building is being constructed. They've also piled a bunch of dirt up to make a hill over in this area. Plus, there is a wall that separates E.T. Adventure from the new play area. Also, over by E.T.'s toy closet, we can see that new pavement has been poured with areas left open for landscaping. Just last month, the area looked like this. Let's take a look at how this area has progressed over the months. First, they cleared the land and started to create a wall. Then they had a concrete form in front of E.T.'s Adventure, and this is what it looked like after they removed the boards. And now we have a massive frame that can now be seen over the wall. Not long from now, we'll be able to see theming placed over the steel. Going back to the concept art, in the background, we can see the roller coaster that has been rethemed. The Woody Woodpecker's coaster is now bright and colorful. The rumors that this will be a roller coaster seem to be true based on this concept art. We can see what looks like a Tarantapuff from Trolls and spiderwebs over the roller coaster. If we take a look at the construction photos, not much has happened in this area. It's still red and blue, and the roof on the load station is still the same color. So far, just the fence and the signs have been removed. Most of the focus so far has been on the front of the land. Portions of Curious George Goes to Town still remain. The ball factory is still there, and all the steel framing hasn't been torn down either. They did remove theming, water elements, and the cement walkway, although it looks like the ball factory still has its second-story walkway. Since Shrek is most likely taking over Fievel's old area, and the roller coaster will be Trolls, then it would make sense that Kung Fu Panda could be themed in this area. The big question is, will it still be a water play area? We can see that they only removed one of the water buckets. So could this mean it will be very similar to what it was and just receive a retheme, possibly to Kung Fu Panda? If the ball factory remains a ball factory, then it will get a retheme and they will make it look like new. Kids really have fun in this area, so I don't mind if they choose to give it a fresh new look and leave it with all its fun interactive elements. The other building in the land was once a day in the park with Barney, but that was changed a few years ago to DreamWorks Destination. It was a place where you could meet a bunch of different characters and dance around. The building will remain and be repurposed. It's possible it could be a show with DreamWorks characters, or maybe this might be another meet and greet area where guests can meet characters like Gabby from Gabby's Dollhouse. From the photos, we can see that they've torn out all the concrete in this area to make way for new pavement. It also looks like the fountain has been torn out. It's hard to see through the trees, but it would be around here. Well, that's it for our look at the KidZone. I wanted to give a big thanks to Bio Reconstruct for all his hard work that makes it possible for us to see all the construction going on at Universal. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you'd like to see more, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell to be notified of new videos. And I can't wait to see you in the next one.